The best way to make 5 to 10K online as a complete beginner. You just need a phone, a laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection. No inventory costs, no sales calls, no drop shipping. No, don't worry, this is not saturated. The market for this side hustle is growing every single day. 90% of the people watching this will scroll right by. So make sure to watch this video all the way through to the end. Save it so that you can reference it again later. Literally, all you're gonna do is promote other people's products and services for commissions. First, you want to go to Digistore 24, click all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Now you want to pick a category and sort by sales rank and pick a product you like that pays at least $100 per commission. Then you want to click the Promote Now button, and every time someone buys through your affiliate link, you get a commission. I love teaching people how to do this because I think it's just the simplest way for complete beginners to get started with a side hustle online. So drop me a follow and I'll teach you even more.